Let's talk about making money. You guys, welcome back to the Market Vibe channel. So today we want to talk about basically the lifeline of a digital marketing agency, which is getting leads for your business, because that's one of the questions that we get asked the most is, you guys, how are you gaining consistent leads for your business? Like, how are you consistently landing clients? And so I want to give you in order kind of the top ways that we think and that we've been able to gain leads for our business on a consistent basis for our digital marketing agency, the Market Vibe. The first way, and honestly the best way to get clients, is referrals. And so just reaching out to whatever your niche is. So say if your niche is a dentist and you have a friend who's a dentist, you just say, hey, so-and-so, I started a digital marketing agency. I'm offering social media services for dentists in the area. I know you know a lot of dentists, so if you happen to know anybody who's looking for social media services, I'd love if you pass my name along. You guys, that's super powerful. And that's the way we got our first 5 or 6 clients, was just simply based on referrals off people we knew who either needed help themselves or knew of people that needed help. So referrals are a great way to get those starter clients as part of your digital marketing agency. The second way is social audio through apps like Wisdom, Clubhouse. You guys, there's no better trust factor than in real time people being able to hear your voice, the knowledge, skills, and expertise that you're offering in real time. And that was a way that we were really able to scale our business past the 6-figure range into multiple 6 figures, was through Clubhouse. People got a chance to hear that we had a lot of knowledge, skills, and expertise in things like social media marketing, digital marketing, funnel building, branding, design. And so they'd reach out to us via either Clubhouse, Wisdom, or Instagram and say, hey, I heard you speak on those apps. I'd really like to hire you to run, my social media or to build a funnel for me. And so we got a lot of clients simply by speaking on stages on social audio. So social audio apps like Clubhouse, Wisdom, Green Room are a great way to land clients for your digital marketing agency. The third way to land clients is to have free value to give people. And so freebies, whether it be, a video series or a PDF or a ebook, having something that's very valuable for free shows people the knowledge and expertise you have, but it also shows honestly to me that you're a great person, that you're willing to give that awesome value for free. Just shows people that you're not just in it for the money, but you're really in it to help people. And so I think having a really valuable free resource of some type, like I said, whether it's a video or a PDF or something like that, is a great way to upfront show people your knowledge and expertise while also building that relationship ahead of time. I think honestly the fourth way, and we haven't been the best at this, but we're trying to get better, is through YouTube. We obviously have a huge network of digital marketing agency people that we know, and a lot of them get their clients off YouTube. You get to see us on camera. We're talking about digital marketing. We're talking about social media. We're talking about the ways that we've helped our various clients grow and scale their businesses. And so you hear us speak about the topics, and it's a lot like Clubhouse. You're like, oh my gosh, okay, these people are very, very knowledgeable in what they're speaking about. They've gotten people results. I would love to get those results for my business. I don't have the time to do my social media, or I know my website needs work. And so naturally they see you, they're going to reach out to you. And so this resource that you're looking at right now and that you're listening to, YouTube, is a great way to land clients for your digital marketing agency. And the last way, this is kind of a sleeper one. It's not necessarily the least effective way, just one a lot of people don't think about, is a blog. You guys, as I'm recording this video yesterday, our blogs got 250 hits alone in one day. It's crazy. And we've had 3 clients over the past 6 months that have hired us say that they found us through our blog. You guys, blogs are really powerful, and it's a super easy resource. It doesn't cost you typically any money. If you have a website, typically a blog is integrated with it. Like we have Kajabi, and so a blog is integrated with it. And it's a free resource. Just writing one blog a week with great keywords, rich SEO can really help your business. And not just as far as, landing clients, but your searchability. Again, we talked about in the previous video, being able to be searched when people Google you. If your blog comes up on page 1, how powerful is that for people to then be able to go and read the knowledge and expertise you have? It's almost the equivalent of a freebie. So then they see those resources, and then they turn around, reach out to you on, say, a 15-minute call. It's very easy to then land that person as a client. So I want to break down those 5 ways again that we talked about from top to bottom of ways you can land digital marketing clients for your agency. So the first way is obviously referrals, just reaching out to people you already know. Honestly, that's the way we started, and I think it's the best way. Number 2 is social audio, being able to hear your voice in real time, get real feedback, ask ask you questions is just a really powerful relationship builder that is unmatched by any other social media platform, in my opinion. Number 3 is to have a free resource. Everybody loves something for free, and the more valuable it is, the more it'll build a relationship with that person, the bigger win that person will get, and the more interested they'll be in what other types of services you have to offer. The 4th thing is what we're on right now, YouTube. You guys are getting knowledge from me, my wife right now on digital marketing. It's showing our knowledge and expertise. We're building a relationship with you, whether you realize it or not. And so then naturally, if you think, hey, I need social media help, you're gonna reach out to us if you're watching our video to at least see what it is that we have to offer. And then the last thing and the sleeper thing is a blog. You guys, you should have a blog anyways, but naturally having a blog as a digital marketing agency using keywords like social media marketing, branding, website design, digital marketing tips, all of these things help build your keyword rank and your authority in Google, which helps you rank on page 1, which helps build your knowledge, authority, and expertise, you guys, which is hugely important in the digital marketing agency space, because how many digital marketing agencies there are out there, but if you can rank on page 1, that puts you above the rest. So thank you guys so much for joining us on part 3 of this series on the best ways to land clients. I hope this was helpful. You guys, if you have any questions on how to land clients, the specific type of ways that I talked about landing clients, drop them in the comments below. I'll definitely make sure to answer them. But until next time, see you guys later.